Every organization faces maintenance challenges, like preventing equipment faults, tracking work orders, and controlling operations budget. Traditional methods can be time-consuming and prone to errors. That's why Coppelis provides the ultimate web and mobile solution for maintenance automation. By adopting Coppelis solutions, you'll experience a plethora of benefits, such as increased efficiency, reduced downtime, better asset management, and improved team collaboration. Real-time map view. Monitor the status and location of your equipment and the progress of field operations in real time, ensuring better management. Preventative maintenance scheduler. Field technicians can instantly receive maintenance task assignments via their mobile devices, reducing delays and improving operational efficiency work. Multimedia capture. Mobile devices allow you to take photos, videos, GPS, scan barcode, and note observations directly in the field. Real-time reporting. Data collected in the field can be immediately synchronized with central systems, allowing for better visibility and real-time reporting on maintenance status. Maintenance analytics. Make data-driven decisions with insightful analytics, providing a clear overview of your maintenance performance. Our solution offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for your team to manage maintenance tasks efficiently. Improve your productivity, save time and money with Coppelis solutions. Ready to transform your maintenance process? Get started with trial version. Contact us. Visit Coppelis.com.